Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SIRC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement the past few days, and then you also factor in the volume down here, and well above average volume the past couple days. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. Really from a big picture kind of point of view, there's just an overall pattern, and the pattern's not perfect, but it illustrates the general idea here. And the general idea is that as time has gone by, the price has been putting in lower highs. So every time it's made a move to the upside, those highs have technically gotten lower and lower. But on the flip side, every time the price is pulled back, the lows have also gotten higher and higher. So add a little bit more context to this. You look here and you can see, well, the price had a low right there and then it pulled back, but that time it only went that low. Then it pulled back again, only went that low. And on the flip side, had a high there, and had that high. So that's, like I said, is this like the perfect pattern where it matches up, just absolutely flawlessly with each and every point? No, but like I said, I'm just trying to convey the general framework and idea of what's been going on. So in the world of charting, we would call this a symmetrical triangle. And that's really kind of the big thing going forward is, which way is this pattern going to break? And you look closer and, the pattern's starting to run out of room. It can definitely go, a few more hours, but eventually the price is going to need to make up its mind in terms of, what it's going to do, and, something needs to happen. And, what is quote unquote happening? Well, either a breakout to the upside of the pattern, so in technical jargon, a pattern breakout, or a break to the downside of the pattern, in jargon, a technical pattern breakdown. And one of those things, are definitely going to be something that a lot of people are watching. So I should note that none of this is like some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that understand charts, use charts, have all taken notice of this pattern, and they're all wondering the same thing. Can this price, can this pattern, which way is it going to go in regards to all that? So that's definitely the key thing going forward is, can the price get the breakout back to the upside, which, no such thing as a guarantee, but could very well put it back into the 20s and above. Or if the price gets a nasty break to the downside, again, no guarantees, but at that point, it wouldn't be shocking to see the price then drift down below, the 10-cent mark by quite a bit. But we'll see what happens with it, but certainly an interesting pattern going forward, so let's see how it plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.